What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be installing some brand new LED headlights that I bought off of Amazon for my Yamaha YFZ450R. This one right here. I absolutely love this thing, but it just needed a little bit more lighting. So hopefully y'all like this video of me installing these brand new ones. I actually take y'all step by step on how to uninstall the previous ones, the stock LED. They're actually not LED. The stock headlights from this Yamaha YFZ. And I show y'all how to install the brand new ones. The only thing I basically didn't do in this video is install the daytime running lights and the turn signal lights, because I can't really figure out how I'm gonna be doing that. But they did give me some wiring right here. They gave me 2 extra wires with for each headlight, and you basically run this to a battery and it should be able to turn on. I've actually tested it, and you can connect these straight to the battery, but they're always going to be on, which kind of sucks. So I need to figure out a way that I could put like a kill switch or something on there. But if y'all have any ideas on how, be sure that y'all comment down below, and also comment down below if y'all want to be seeing more content on my Yamaha YFZ450, because I love ripping around in this thing. I usually only drive it down the street here. I rep a couple donuts and then I come back. But if y'all want to see more content, I'm going to be sure to go out to the ranch. Hopefully we could do content out there of me doing some jumps, me doing burnouts, and just ripping along. I got some GoPros that I could set up on this thing. So if y'all want to see more of this four-wheeler content, be sure that y'all comment down below. Hopefully y'all like this install video, and let's get to it.
Alright, you guys, so the first thing that we're going to get started off with is taking off, well, basically the first thing you actually have to do in the whole process, you have to be taking off all the little clips. I actually did that beforehand, before I basically got this video started, but they're just little clips that go all the way around. They go right here in the bottom part, and they also go right here and right here as well. They're really easy to take off. They're just like little screws that are on there, and they're not even screwed on tight. You just got to do like one turn and they basically pop out. Super simple. And right here, like I said, the first thing that we're going to do is actually take off these screws right here, because these actually have 3 holding points. Or actually, I probably should have done that one last, because these other ones might be a little bit more difficult. You have to take off these, like, oh, actually, I broke those off. I forgot about that. But it does have one that's holding it in right here. And I just got this tool that came with like a whole bunch of rivets. Let's see if this works good to basically pop this off. Alright, you guys, so I basically figured it out. I'm pretty dumb, but you could literally just push these out. You gotta just basically push them out straight, because I don't know if y'all could see, it has like these little indentations, or I don't know how you would really say this, but they're like arrowheads kind of. But you just gotta push them straight, and these rubber grommets are the only thing that are actually holding it in. Well, actually with this top part, it's actually this screw. So be sure that when you get this screw out, you take this little, it's like a metal ring kind of that's holding the screw in, but this goes in the top part, and that actually allows you to be able to just hold it in better right there. And be sure that y'all also take out these rubber grommets right here, and then unplug the back wire that's right here, or the back plug right here, because the new headlights, I haven't even shown y'all these, but these are the new headlights that I have. They're covered right now, but once I get them on and basically turn them on, y'all are gonna be able to see. But this is the plug that's right here. They also come with these other 2 red and like brown wires. These are for the DRL lights right here, but I haven't really figured out how to wire these yet, so I might not do that in this video. I might do it in a future video, so be sure that y'all stay tuned to the channel, because I'm gonna be doing that in a future video. And let's get to taking off the other side as well, because we're gonna need both of these lights off to be having the brand new ones on there, and they're gonna look fabulous once they're on. Alright, you guys, well, right now I basically just put on one of the LED lights on the four-wheeler Yamaha YFZ450, and this is the brand new LED light, and this is the stock light that basically comes with the YFZs. And look at this difference. It's absolutely insane. That one looks like all foggy and yellow, and this one looks so bright. Like whenever you're looking at it from basically the front. That right there, all that right there, that's the LED light. Y'all can't even tell, but that right there, if it doesn't focus on my finger, That's the stock light. It's not even, I mean, it's not even close to compare. Like, that's an insane difference right there. So right now we're gonna slap on the brand new one. I still can't get the DRL LED light figured out, but once I get it wired up and figured out, basically, I'll show y'all how it looks, and we can get it installed once I basically do that, because I'm pretty sure it's gonna look insanely good.
Alright you guys, well I basically just finished up this install with the LED headlights on my Yamaha YFZ450. I'm going to be linking down below which headlights they are, so if y'all want to go check them out for your YFZ450. I think it's like from 2006 to 2022 Yamaha YFZ compatibility, so y'all could basically look them up and I'm pretty sure y'all could find them. And yeah, that's, well, this right here, that's basically the end product of how it looks. Looks super good, nice and aggressive, and it produces a crap ton of light. Like, check that out. That's the lighting that it's basically producing. Back whenever it had the stock ones right before this, it had like a really yellow foggy look on it, and it really didn't look that good. But now it has these LED headlights. They look really aggressive. On camera they kind of look blue, but believe me, they are like really white and clear. But yeah, that's basically the end product. Right now I'm gonna jump into some montages of how it looks, and hopefully y'all like the video. If y'all like and subscribe, comment down below if y'all want to see more videos like this, and I'll see you on the next one.